So do you want to know one CPA trick that you can implement really easily and can really help you to solve questions quicker? Well, let's talk through it in this video. This tip is revolved around how we read practice questions. So if you're like anybody else, when you get to a new question, you probably start reading it right from the beginning. You read the first sentence and go all the way through, just like you would read anything else. So you get through all the information, and then you get to what the question is actually asking you. You get to that last sentence. The issue with this is that some CPA problems offer you information that doesn't matter at all. So you think that everything matters, but there could be information that is not important. So my tip right here is always start with the last sentence of the question first. Always start in the last sentence. So then you see the questions actually asking you, and this helps you to create this filter. So then when you read through the question, you know what's important and what's not important. So hopefully you don't have to reread through the question multiple times. So at first it may seem like you're spending more time doing this, but as you get good at it, it's going to save you a lot of time. So my CPA trick is to always start with the last sentence of the question first. I hope this helps you and puts you one step closer to passing your CPA exams.